Good morning, everybody. Good day to you all. I trust you're blessed. I trust you're well. This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, man. Um, I'm just amazed at what the market is doing, guys. Um, I think the most important thing that you can ever have in Forex is trading rules. I think the last time I said something along these lines that a lot of people lose money in Forex because they lack the rules and the discipline to make money. Now, I want to take you from what happened yesterday. We had the British interest rate, the England interest rate decision, right? And it came out. This is why I always used to tell my people that don't trade news. Fundamental traders yesterday, their accounts got wiped terribly, got wiped. And if you ask me, I think it's because they don't listen to us when we say they should avoid some things, or when we tell them the truth about the market. Look at in this instance, this was the interest rate decision. The market was somewhere here. And immediately when the news came out, the interest rate was increased. Just imagine, the interest rate was increased. And the market shot up like that. It didn't even give them, look at that. It gave them only 49 to 50 pips or so. The market just shot up like that. And immediately it turned because because what market did, look, this is the interest rate decision. But when the market is at the highest point of the day, it's over. They can't do anything anymore. It's over. It's over. When the market is at the highest point of the day, that's it. Why should they be bothering? They met the highest point of the day and they moved back. It rewarded us, the disciplined people. I was not trading, but I could see what was going on in the market. I told my people, I said, I don't trade news. I don't trade news. Because news is, you need to understand the manipulation of the news before you actually start trading news. When the interest rate decision was made, the market shot up like that. And then it turned, look at that, they gave 129 pips for meeting the high of the day. That's all they gave, 129 pips. But these guys here, they got something like 45 to 50 pips or so. You weigh. This is in your eyes. This is in your eyes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let me show this to you. Look at that. This is the high, man. This is the high of the day. And look at that. And then they shoot up like that. Down, look at that. That's about 159 pips, man. But I'll tell you this, fundamental traders, they left their trades to run. From here, they put them to run, they left them to run. And the time they opened their charts, the market was somewhere here going against them 120 or 30 pips. Accounts were blown, man. So, man, I'm not going to speak about a lot of things. All I know is the high of the day and the low of the day. And keep watching, man. This is going to be helping you. Today, I just wanted to share this tip with you. That news does not matter to me. News does not matter to me. I don't know how many times I'm going to say. I remember I taught you guys how to trade the NFP. But I told them, use caution, because I don't trade news. I make a lot of money during the course of the week. When there is no news, I'm happy. I trade. It's easy. It's simple. So God bless you. I trust you're blessed. I trust you're well. We love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.